today we will study number system. As we know, what are natural numbers? Natural numbers are starting from 1, then 2, 3, 4 and so on. They are denoted by capital N. Then comes whole numbers. They are 0, 1, 2, 3 and dash. Then comes integers. Whole numbers are denoted by W. Then come integers. They are denoted by Z. These are negative, 0 and positive. Okay. Then comes rational numbers. Rational numbers they are denoted by Q. Okay. The word rational numbers come from ratio. What is the ratio? Ratio, a number which can be written in the form of P upon Q. These are rational numbers. For example, 2 upon 3, 1 upon 6, 101 upon 99, 150 upon 153. Okay, these are rational numbers, and some other forms of rational numbers are 0.25. It is also a rational number. Why? Because we can also write it like this. So it is a rational number. It is in P upon Q form. 0.01. It is also a rational number. Why? We can write it like this. Okay. Take another example. This is also a rational number. Why? We can also write it like this. Okay. 14, 140. Is 140 is a rational number? Yes, it is a rational number. Why? Because there is a 1 in its denominator. So it is also in the form of P upon Q. 0 is the rational number? Yes. Why? 1 is in its denominator. Like this, 100 is a rational number? Yes, because 1 is in its denominator. So we can say that rational number can be of the form P is in the form of P upon Q. It can be written in the numerator and denominator form, or in decimal form, or as a whole number. Now we will first try to find that how many rational numbers are there between any two numbers. So take an example like 1 and 2. How many rational numbers are there between 1 and 2? So let's see. Take an example. It is 1.1, 1.125, 1.236, 1.251, 1.354238, 1.46, 1.5, 1.611. So what can you think? What can you say about how many rational numbers are there between any two numbers? The answer is infinite. There are infinite rational numbers between any two numbers. Okay? It is easy. It is easy to write between the rational numbers between any two whole numbers. Okay? Now, if I say write some rational numbers between 1 and 2 and 1 upon 3. So how can you write? There are two ways of writing rational numbers between two any rational numbers. First, we can convert this rational number into decimal form. So 1 upon 2 can be written as 0.5 and 1 upon 3 can be written as 0.3 3 3 dash 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 dash. Okay, so we can write some rational numbers between them. How can we write? See, to write the rational numbers between any two decimal form of numbers, what can we first we can write 0.5 at 0.500. Yes or not? We can write. We can put any number of zeros after 5. Okay, then 0.333 dash 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 dash. Now only see these terms 500 and 333. 500 and 333. Just write some rational numbers between that, like 0.34, 0.38, 0.3943. Okay, write any number 495. We can write many rational numbers between these two rational numbers. And the second method is to change the denominators by taking LCM. How can we change the denominators? Like, take LCM of these denominators. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So we will try to convert our denominators into 6. 3, we can multiply it by 3. We can multiply by 2. See, 3 upon 6 and 2 upon 6. Okay, now the denominators are same, but the difference between the numerators is only 1. So how can we write like we have to write 5 rational numbers between these? So what we do, we just multiply it by any 10. Like, we will multiply it by 10. Multiply it by 10, and 30 upon 60 and 20 upon 60. So we can write the numbers between 20 and 30. So 21 upon 60, 22 upon 60, 24 upon 60, 26 upon 60, and 28 upon 60. These are the 5 rational numbers which we want to write. Okay, hope आपको ये समझ